Hello, my name is Dean Kirsty, and welcome to the Infinite Skills Introduction to Learning SolidWorks 2014. SolidWorks is a 3D computer-aided design program that enables you to transform new ideas into great products. It runs on a Microsoft Windows platform and is mainly used by engineers and designers all over the world. If you have little to no experience in SolidWorks, this video is for you. On the other hand, if you are proficient in SolidWorks, the lessons covered are a great way to reinforce what you already know and to gain some additional practice. After completing the lessons in this video, you will be well versed in SolidWorks 2014 fundamentals, from parts, to assemblies, to drawings. This foundation will not only get you started down an exciting path of creating SolidWorks parts, assemblies, and drawings, it will spark an interest to learn more about SolidWorks functionality and capabilities. Just to give you an idea of the capabilities, SolidWorks can simplify large assemblies that can contain more than 100,000 parts. In addition, SolidWorks has built-in weldment functionality that enables you to design a weldment structure, along with sheet metal tools that allow you to design sheet metal parts and enclosures with ease. You can also design molds, plastic and cast parts, along with routing electrical cables and harnesses. While this is not an all-inclusive list of SolidWorks capabilities, it gives you an idea of the power of the software. I am confident after you complete the following lessons, you will be proficient in SolidWorks 2014. From my experience, once you learn how to use the basics of the software, you will have a desire to expand your knowledge of SolidWorks and all of its functionalities and capabilities.